What if people could register for your event, get their questions answered, and confirm their participation all through a simple WhatsApp conversation? No registration forms, no back and forth messages, no manual coordination. Because let's be honest, event registration can become chaotic very quickly. People keep asking event timings, venue details, ticket information, registration process, and availability. So what if an AI assistant could handle all of that automatically? In this video, I will show you how to build a WhatsApp AI bot for event management's registrations by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, first of all, let me show you how this AI assistant will work in real life, and then we will build this together. Now, inside this WhatsApp chat, I will just send up keyword event. After that, you will see this WhatsApp AI assistant will get triggered and it will send me a welcome message at first. After that, we will interact with this WhatsApp AI assistant to book an event for ourselves. You can see we have successfully received our welcome message. Now to register and for an event, we just have to send this exact same text, register for event, to this WhatsApp AI assistant, and then AI assistant will help us register for an event right inside our WhatsApp account. We have received this message also, which event would you like to attend, and here is the list of the events that this particular business has. Now let us register for this business leadership conference. So I will send the same text inside this chat. Now you can see it is asking me for my full name. So here I will add my full name. After that, this AI assistant will ask me multiple questions to successfully let me register for this business leadership conference. Next, you can see this is asking for my phone number. So I will quickly answer all the questions that this AI assistant will ask me, and then I will show you what will happen next. You can see I have received this message, registration completed, and I have successfully registered for this event with this business events fair experience right inside my WhatsApp account, and this happened within just 2 to 3 minutes. You can see I have started the conversation at 4:29 and at 4:32 I received my message for confirmation of this event. This means that within just 3 minutes I could register for an event inside my WhatsApp account itself, and all of the details that my AI assistant has shared or asked with me are based on this knowledge base that I've added here. This is the knowledge base where I've provided every single detail about the business events that I wanted to host, and based on the knowledge base, my AI assistant asked me all of these following questions, and here it has also successfully helped me register for this event inside my WhatsApp account itself. So this was the demo of my WhatsApp AI assistant for business event registration that I've created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. We have seen the demo. Now let me show you how exactly you can also create this AI assistant for your own business. So for that, at first, come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. To come here, open a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow. Then from this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, at first, you have to create a free account if you are a new user. Click on this button, create your free account, and get your 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. With the help of these credits, you can easily create some AI assistant and run them absolutely free. After that, you can anytime also, to unlock more features of Pabbly Chatflow, upgrade to the premium version, where you will get thousands of credits every month so that you can run your AI assistants smoothly without even thinking about credits expiring. Now the best part here is right now we are running the special discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans. To avail that discount, you have to use this coupon code visible right in front of you, JAIYT. Use this coupon code while purchasing your subscription to get your special discount. But if you are an existing user, you have already bought a subscription, press the sign in button. Then from this all apps page of Pabbly, to access Pabbly Chatflow, click on this access now button, and you will get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. In here, at first you have to click on this add WhatsApp number button, select any of these methods to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, you will be able to access the features that Pabbly Chatflow has. If you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, you can just watch those videos that I've added in the description box for you. After that, to start creating your AI assistant, you just have to select this AI assistant from here. Inside this page, click on this add AI assistant button, give a name to your AI assistant, and press this button. You can simply start creating your AI assistant and create it by simply working on 4 simple steps. The first step is AI assistant. So let us work on this. Inside this instruction type box, we have to select the type of instructions. I will select this AI agent, but if you want, you can also explore other instruction type. Let us select this. Then for these instructions, here the role and constraints are already added. The text is written, provide instruction for how the AI assistant should respond to users. Include key information like audience purpose and style to customize the AI assistant. If you want to change this instruction on your own, you can change them, and you must have to provide the key information inside this box so as to help your AI assistant answer the queries of your customer. Then we have this AI configuration. For this temperature, 0.5 is set. If you want to change this, you just have to click on this button available on the right side. This temperature sets how creative the AI's answers will be. If you will set this closer to 0, your AI will give more focused answer. But if you will set this closer to 1, your AI will give more creative answer. So you can set this temperature as per your preference. Next, we have this select AI to use. We have to select this OpenAI. For this model, you can select any model from this drop down. I will select this GPT 5.4. Then we have to add this API key. To get this, at first you have to purchase paid subscription of OpenAI. Then just click on this hyperlink from this OpenAI platform page. Inside this page on the right side, you will see this button, create new secret key. Click on this button. Give a name to your key if you want, then press this create secret key button. Your secret key will get generated, which you have to copy from here. Go back inside Pabbly Connect, paste the key and press this connect button. Your OpenAI key will get saved successfully. Now you can work on this AI assistant settings. Here we have got these 5 different settings. If you want to use any one of them, you just have to turn these buttons on. First of all, for this header message, if you want to use this, turn this button on. Then in here you can add any message, like I will add there as hello. After that, this hello will be visible to all of my users with every reply of my AI assistant. But if you don't want to use this, you can simply turn this off from here. The same goes for this footer message also. Next is stop keyword. We have to turn this on. Then in here we have to add this keyword stop. Press this enter button to successfully add this. After this, whenever any user will send this stop keyword inside our chat, they have to send the exact same keyword, otherwise this keyword will not work. So whenever they will send this keyword, our WhatsApp AI assistant will stop replying to them, and then if you want, you can also take over the chat manually. Next, we have this retry attempt. In here we can add number in range of 1 to 10 to give fallback retry attempts to our AI assistant if it fails to respond to our users' queries. Then we have this fallback message. In here, this message is added, which will get sent to your customer whenever the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. If you want to change this, you can also change it on your own. Now let us move towards our second step, knowledge source. Here we have to upload a file for which the text is written. Connect knowledge unique to your business, include FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering questions. So basically, in here we have to upload a file that must contain every single minute detail about your business, that how this AI assistant will respond to the queries sent by your customer. I have already created this, so make sure to follow these rules here to upload your knowledge base. I will show you the knowledge base that I have created. This is the knowledge base that I have created for myself. To download this from this file, I have to go inside this download, and then I can select any of these 2 eligible formats, PDF or TXT, inside Pabbly Chatflow. Download your knowledge base, then go back inside Pabbly Chatflow. At first, click on this cloud, then here press this add new file. Drag the knowledge base that you have downloaded here and press this upload files button. Your knowledge base will get uploaded here, which you can simply select. So this is my knowledge base. I will select this and then I will insert it inside my AI assistant. You will see my file will get uploaded and processed successfully. Now I can move towards this third step, assistant interface. Here this box is visible to you from the beginning of this video. If you want to change anything inside this box, you just have to add those details here. First of all, for this your brand name, which is our heading. So if I will want to change this, then I just have to add the name of my business. So if I will add my Pabbly as the name of my business, you can see here this name is changed successfully. If you want to change the subheading, you have to add the text inside this second box. For this initial message, one message is already added. To add one more, you just have to type down the message and press the enter button. Your message will get added successfully. Inside this box, you can add only 2 initial messages. Next, we have this powered by Pabbly visible right here. If you want to enable or disable it, you can select it from this drop down. This privacy policy is actually a hyperlink. To create this, type the text inside this box and paste link inside this footer link box. This is how you can create this hyperlink. Next, for the user first message, I need help is added. If you want to change this, you can also change it on your own. Now let us move towards our last step, styling. Here we can style our AI assistant. Like, we can change the theme into light or dark. We can change the shape of our assistant. We can change the background color, profile picture, or anything else from here. But as I don't want to change them, so I will simply turn my AI assistant on from here and then I will save it. With this, we have successfully completed all 4 steps of creation of this AI assistant. Now we have turned it on also. If you want to use this AI assistant from your website, click on this embed, copy the script and paste it inside your website. This AI assistant will also work from your website. As we have completed the creation, now we just have to test if this assistant is working properly or not. So for that, we just have to open our WhatsApp account, but before that we have to create a flow, because of which this AI assistant will only get assigned to those customers who will send any particular keyword that we will add inside our flow. To create a flow, you have to go inside the flow and select this flows from here. But as I've already created one, so let me show it to you. This is my flow. In here you can see for this trigger event, I have selected this as keyword or rejects mess because I wanted my chatbot to get triggered with the help of the keyword that I will add here. I've added this keyword here, event, and this is the exact same keyword that when I send inside my chat, my WhatsApp chatbot, my WhatsApp AI assistant got triggered. Now in here, to add one more keyword, let me show you. You just have to type down the text and press this enter button. Your keyword will get added successfully. After adding this trigger, you just have to work on your action step. To get this assign AI assistant node from this action features, you just have to drag this assign assistant node, drop it in here. Then at first, select the AI assistant which you have created. Inside this start with, among these 4 options, you can select anyone, but I have selected this use client message because I wanted my AI assistant to get triggered with the help of my client's message. After selecting this, I connected both of the circles and then press this save button to save my chatbot. Otherwise, this will not work properly. As our flow is updated, now we just have to open our WhatsApp account, and in here we again have to send some keywords. So in here, I will quickly send this keyword event. Then you will see my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered and it will assign the AI assistant to this chat. Instantly, the AI assistant will also send us a welcome message right here. We have successfully received our welcome message from our AI assistant. This means that the AI assistant that we have created here is working all fine. So this is how you can also create an AI registration and FAQ assistant for yourself inside your own Pabbly Chatflow account to run your business on autopilot. Now I will ask you to go and create your own AI assistant so that you can also automate your business. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, but don't forget, by using my coupon code JAIYT, you can avail the special discount that we are running right now on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So go and purchase your subscription. I will see you in the next automation tutorial. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.